crying, I've been lost in rain. Broken soul searching, teach me how to pray. Tears on pavement, the pain don't go away. Obrigado, please save my soul, don't turn away. Do you hear me crying? I've been lost in rain. Broken soul searching, teach me how to pray. Tears on pavement, the pain don't go away. Obrigado, please save my soul, don't turn away. Do you hear me crying? I've been lost in rain. Broken soul searching, teach me how to pray. Tears on pavement, the pain don't go away. Obrigado, please save my soul, don't turn away. I wake up in the morning, tears still on my pillow. Life feels heavy, streets cold, heart feeling hollow. Dear, I'm lost, I don't know which way to turn. Every lesson in this pain, I beg you, let me learn. I've been walking through the shadow, trying to find the light. Battles in my mind, some days I can't fight. Family, friends, they don't see the war inside. I'm screaming in my soul, dear, please be my guide. I've been betrayed, stabbed, love turned to hate. I pray for the peace, but my mind won't listen. All I hear are doubts like storms that are twisting. Teach me how to pray when the heart is bleeding, when the faith feels distant, when the hope is receding. I want to trust you fully, not just in my head. When nights are colder than ice in my chest, I need you instead. Lord, remind me I'm never truly alone. Your spirit whispers softly, calling me home. I asked for the forgiveness for the choice I made. I know you see the pain behind the smile I show. You know the tears I carry when nobody knows. I'm searching for the answers in the middle of this fight. Lord, I want to feel you more than words I can say. Teach me, guide me, God, how to pray. Teach me patience when my soul is weak, strength when I'm broken, courage when I can't speak. I want to live for you, not for the world's lies. To lift my eyes to heaven where my true hope lies. Every time I stumble, Lord, hold my hand. Show me your mercy, help me understand.